Wednesday, April 4th, I think, yeah. So today's project is cleaning the bamboo. I've had this bamboo. It's been treated with Timbor, harvested in 2018. I've got dates on a lot of it. And I had them stored in the boat, so they got all dirty and nasty. And, you know, so you gotta come in here and pressure wash these. And you can see when you're done, they're pretty nice, very pretty. See, there's before, there's the after. And I got about 18 or 20 of these things. So I think I'm going to use them in the garden this year, maybe sell some of them. I want to make a drink cart too, a little Gilligan's Island tropical tiki drink cart kind of a thing. Some of these are really pretty. They've got all the little lines and stuff in there. They're really not bad looking. Yeah, that one may need a little more cleaning, but yeah, pretty cool, very nice. Harvesting the bamboo.